C5 to check out here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car just a little over 26,000 on this one is all. Light pewter metallic, tan interior, 6-speed manual car, of course the LS1, 350 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look at the condition of the nose or front fascia of this car. Not full of nicks, chips, scratches. Paint shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the high polished wheels. Radial tires, of course. Looks like we have Michelin's on there even. Let's take a peek down this passenger side. You can see that is also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, bucket seats. Center console. This one does have the selective ride control. Heads-up display. We'll get into that more in just a bit. There's also a nice looking windscreen in there. That can be left in the car with the top up. I'm going to show you how the top functions here in just a bit. Manual top, very simple to put up. One person can do it. Less than a minute. And we'll do that here in just a bit. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see the rear of this car. Paint is in excellent shape. Tell it's a well cared for car. There's no doubt about that. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the underside, interior, trunk, engine bay. If you're into Corvettes, whether it be C4, C5s, whatever year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Now, it does have, of course, your monitor amenities, power windows, power locks, memory seating on this one, Bose stereo system, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, dual electronic climate control. I mentioned the active handling, 12 disc changer in the trunk, driver's information center, heads-up display. So nicely equipped 01 also. And as you can see, seating surfaces, great shape, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Again, a low mile 01 Vet. Let's check out those exact miles. There it is, 26,997 is all. It's your heads-up display. And of course, that can be adjusted. It can be completely turned off. If you don't want it, it can go up and down, brightness, different information on it. Top of the dash looks good. And you do have AM, FM radio up here with CD, as well as the changer in the trunk. So and again, AC blows cold, electronic dual climate control. With the low miles and condition of this car, a lot of bang for the buck. These C4 and C5. C5s, of course, a little more popular even because of that LS1 power plant, and then a 6-speed to boot in this one, remember. Power antenna works. All right, let me go ahead and pop this hood. I want to show you the engine bay. How about one other thing? Let's check out. Headlights. Both working, both up. How about down? Perfect. I have a feeling this one's not going to last long around here. Of course, hood liner nice and clean, hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Be a little tough in a Vet. There it is, a 5.7 liter LS1, 350 cubes. Sounds good, looks good. I haven't noticed any modifications. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles. No surprises on this one. All right, let me go ahead and pause this. I'm gonna get the tripod set up. I'll show you how this top goes up and down. Very simple. As simple and quick as that. Rolled up the side windows too, so you can see how those fit. So beige top. Nice shape. Have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. It is fabric. Kind of like the rest of the car. Good condition. Rear glass window with rear defog. And again, nice tight fit where it needs to be. Side glass, passenger side, looks good. All latched up in the front. Nice tight fit above the windshield. There you go. Top in nice condition also, and you'll be able to see it up in the still pics from each angle. Let me pause it one more time. I'll show you how it goes down. Piece of cake also. That's all there is to it. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, low mile, clean Carfax. If you're looking for a Corvette that won't break the bank, here it is. This one's not going to stick around long. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a 6-speed manual, which makes it more fun to drive. Nice pewter color on the outside. Six-speed manual. We're just gonna leave it in 5th. Factory stereo sounds good. Nice low miles on this Corvette, and it feels like a low mile car. Even the seats are still in really nice condition. Comfortable bucket seats in this Corvette. All our gauges are working well. Temperature approximately 180. Oil PSI around 50. Battery charging over 14 volts, and fuel gauge works showing 2/3 of a tank. Factory tachometer also working. AC's blowing right now, keeping us cool. We have heads-up display for the speed as well as oil pressure and tachometer. Corners the way it should for a Corvette, very nicely. Sticks to the ground. And the best part is just putting your foot on the throttle and going and feeling it. Very nice Corvette. Check out all the pictures of the interior, the engine, underneath, anything you want to see at uniqueclassiccars.com.